It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader, techtrader.com. It's Thursday, September the 7th. These are the charts of the day, and as we do every Thursday, a review of the swings of the last few weeks. So I have AAOI alphabetically. You'll see the stock had done very well for a while, ran up into that 16.5 range, has pulled back to the near support, which right now is about 11 and a quarter, a half area. I don't want it below that. If it consolidates and continues, we may see a retest of 16.5 and then 20. AEHR pulled back today, but it's been real strong in the last couple of weeks. And you can see that there is some resistance at 54. We get above that. Targets are 60 and 68. Apls stair-stepping its way back after getting pounded in July and August. It bottomed at just under 20 and recently pulled back up into the 44 range before pulling back into a flag pattern. You can take a look at the last couple of weeks. You'll see it's a tight little flag. And it's wave 4 as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm looking for a fifth wave that takes us up towards 50 and then 55. CROX on the short side obviously got hammered back. This morning we reached out to support and bounced. Still does not look good. It broke a bear wedge pattern, and I think it's got more to go on the downside. I'm now looking for high 80s and then 84.5. DBI added today, and you can see why. It spiked, broke out, and did it with big volume. For this stock, 7.5 million shares, and it's up against resistance and the gap. If we get a follow through, I'm looking for 15. DBRG, unable to get to a triple top, is backing off slowly, but forming some sort of flag. If we do get this above 17.75, you might see a 19 and 21. ETNB, pop, pull back, popped again, and pull back, and it's a little bit tough going in here. I'm going to want to see this one run back over 1835, and if that happens, I'll look for 20 and 23, but if not, be careful about on the short side, on the stop side, where you want to maybe keep this under 16.75, and it's pretty close. Fngr looking great, now up for 10 of the last 11 days, slowly but surely, moving up without getting too overbought. And now have a target at 7.25 and 8.75. FRPT broke out of a base, spiked up, and then pulled back in a nice corrective looking falling channel. Key support 72, resistance 80 and 84, and those are your targets. HAS exploded, put a swing on it, and ran up to the target number 1 by reaching 73.5, and then pulled back quite a bit today, down 337. But overall, still a strong chart. I'm looking for 77. IoT, beautiful pop, 2-day consolidation, but I'm looking for high 30s, low to mid 40s. NTNX pop, pulled back, we put a swing on it. It's forming a wedge. I'm now looking for 39 and 41. ORIC popped out, pulled back today, and the last 3 days after making a new high at 979, has backed off to about 8.25. Key support now about 7.5 as your stop. Targets again are 9.75 and 11. POWL popped and pulled back. We put a swing on it. It's moved up from the high 70s to the mid 80s. And now backed off a little bit. Had a bullish engulfing bar today. Still looking for more upside, 90 and 100. RPD popped out, pulled back, popped out again, and now has this pattern, long consolidation type base. I'm going to need it to get up through 51 to get it going. 55 and 60 are targets. SPLK popped, broke out, and has run every day since we gave you a swing on the breakout, going through a double top here with a breakaway gap. It's run all the way up to 126. I'm now looking for 133.34. TSAT broke out. We put a swing on it, and then popped, backed off, and then popped again, backed off. Looked like it was going to go on a fifth wave, but it backed off today to close right on support. Any further damage must stop. If it doesn't break down, the rebound is 21.2 and then 25.6. ULBI popped from the wedge. When it broke out, we gave you a swing. It extended that day and then pulled back for a week and consolidated before breaking out yet again. It's got an ascending bull coil forming. You break out here, gets you 12 and then 13. And finally, XPEV, although it was down today, has done very well since I noticed the island reversal near the rising 50. At that point, it reversed from about 14 and change to over 20, actually 1996. It pulled back today quite a bit, down $1.50 or 8%. So any damage below 16, and I would exit the position. And that's it today for a look at the swing trades at detectrader.com.